Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm painting Hyun. Today I want to paint this beautiful scenery. When I saw this reference photo from Fixaway, I really want to paint this one. It's like a fairy tale, right? So I made some story. Please listen to me. A man is going back home to bring some food and beautiful flowers for his family after finishing hard work. Yeah, okay. And then for this is my story for this painting. You can make any story on your own for this painting. Okay, for this story, I'm going to add beautiful flowers and something on the basket. And then one more thing is making a small patch here, shaped letter S. Yeah. Okay, already I have finished this sketch with 2H pencil. So I drew small patch here, letter S, and basket on the basket, and beautiful flowers and some food and sunset, and yes, some bird. I will I'm gonna draw it. Okay, let's have fun painting today. Here is all my materials for the today painting. I especially use a sponge. This is a natural sponge for tree area. So, and then also you can use a cotton ball instead of this sponge. So I'm going to use colors yellow, orange, burnt sienna, sap green, ultramarine deep, brushes, and this paper. Wait a minute before you start. Think about the colors carefully. About the background sky and sunset area and foreground. You can use any colors you want, but then in my case I decide yellowish orange color for the sky. Yeah, and then reference photo has a blue sky, but then I will not allow blue sky. It's not a romantic. This is a sunset, so I'm going to use a yellowish orange color on the sky, and here is the very greenish color from reference photo, but I'm going to use a bluishy brown color, but I'm going to use put on here. Okay, yeah, first start background first. Okay, first with the whole entire paper. First, I really like light yellowish color. Whole paper. And take some orange into yellow color. So I want to get yellowish orange color. Now we are using a wet on wet style on the sky. Okay, and then many people struggled wet on wet style. They cannot catch the timing when is the right time to add the next color. So can you see this paper? This paper have a lot of water in here. So if we want add some a little bit dark or strong color, yeah, you have to wait some few minutes. Okay. So now I'm doing tilt the paper side to side and back and forth. Okay. And then I want to make a little bit more dramatic story. So I want to get some more yellowish orange color. Yeah, still this paper has a lot of water. So now if we want to add some color, yeah, you can add line now, but after a little bit more dry this paper, you cannot touch it. If you touch it almost dry on the almost dry paper, it's makes some dirty spot on the dirty spot after this paper dried. So be careful. And also I wanna make some dramatic story, so I wanna get some more orange, dark orange, and mix a little bit of burnt sienna. So I make more dark and a little bit of brownish color. So I'm going to put some cloud area. This now you can see this paper still holds a lot of water, so I think a little bit of a few seconds have to wait for I want to make some spot under cloud area. Okay, I waited a couple of minutes, so I changed the brush, and now I'm adding some dramatic cloud. Okay, and then this is a sponge. First, yellowish. Yeah, reference for just branch there, but then I'm going to some lid. Yeah, I put on there. So just to mix the color, get some yellow orange color on a sponge. Is that okay? You didn't need to mix any color. Just a dot, yeah. Okay, and next I want to draw branches, so plenty of branch there. So I choose the small thin brush, kind of a pointed brush. There are so small branches here, so it takes a long time, but enjoy it this time while you're painting. Think about bird and sky. You can make any story. You wanna use more spot on the tree using a sponge. I'm using natural sponge. You can use cotton ball or some cotton or some any soft fabric. Just to try it. Okay, almost done. Oh, I forgot the sun. Yeah, okay, this is paper towel with the water, so I take out some sky area. Just you can use brush. Okay, I'm done this painting. Yeah, I hope you had a great time with me this painting. Okay, thank you for watching this video. See you next time. Bye.